Almost every DC grant and contract asks for one document first, a certificate of clean hands. Here's how to pull one free in about a minute. Start at MyTax.DC.gov. Log in with your business tax account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to register your business first. You can't request the certificate without an account tied to your entity. From your dashboard, scroll over and click More to see all your account options. Under Account Management, click Request a Certificate of Clean Hands. The system checks your account automatically. You don't have to file anything first. Open the Reason for Applying drop-down and select your reason. For grants, choose Grant Approval. Then click Next, confirm with your password, and hit Submit. And that's it. Your certificate is generated instantly. Download the PDF and check the issue date. Funders reject stale certificates, so pull a fresh one for each application. The full written guide and all DC document walkthroughs are on DuoGov.